Hello guys, this is Vysh. Today is day 18 of the 50-day quiz challenge, May 25. International bodies test number 2. Please see yesterday's episode where 5 questions were discussed. Today again 5 more questions we'll discuss. And next after this I'll start environment. So next 2 episodes will be environment, and then like that science, geography, history. We are planning 50 days of quiz, and this will enhance your score in UPSC Prelims. But on the whole, 50 days is equal to 250 MCQs only. But you should ideally join a test series. If you want to join Vysh IAS, you will get 7,500 MCQs, 75 tests, and now it is 79 tests because I'm going to give the next 4 months of current affair free of cost to all our enrolled students. So please see to it that you enroll to something which is useful for you. Okay. And today's test will be today's quiz will be part of pack 9 where international bodies and schemes are there. Okay. And the current affair pack will give you whatever happens in news, because this will give you static portion of everybody. And if something like new agreement or something gets signed like this month or next month, that will be there in the latest current affair pack. This pack only I'm telling, instead of 12 tests, there will be 16 tests now. Okay, there is no fees change. It is like direct free upgrade. Okay. And the series in Vice courses, please see to that you subscribe, because these things is done free of cost. If you don't support us, we'll have to stop this. Whoever have watched this, they'll know the value of this. They are indeed sharing it. I have seen their WhatsApp statuses. They're sharing my videos. These videos are going to be a game changer to understand a topic from end to end. Okay, because there are many people who are studying or getting half knowledge because they are watching like masala oriented videos. Okay, because in YouTube, if you search, you will see hundreds of videos like this, like 5G spreading corona and all these things. But that is not relevant for your exam. Okay, we are picking this news just because we need a topic for that day. So this is the headline, so we take this topic, but we are not teaching you this will be told in just one slide. After that, we teach you the background or the needed things for that. Okay, like how does a cell phone tower work, then what is the difference between all these technologies, because every year new technology, not every year, every decade new technology is coming. Now 6G also will come after that, so you have to know how is this or what is the basic difference. Okay, simply they will not rename, right? 3G, 4G, you have to know all these things. As a UPSC aspirant, you have to know this LTE, VoLT, because UPSC interview also, they ask you things which you are always having around you. Okay, like your mobile phone is around you, or you are using OTT platform, digital platform. You should know the entertainment part of that, but you should know the technical part also. Okay, that is expected out of you. So please watch those kind of series and support, so that we can do more videos for you. Now, which of the following is true about International Union for Cancer Control? Okay, it is an intergovernmental organization. It partners with international bodies like WHO and WEF. It has a huge membership of nations from across the world, including India. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3 only, 1, 3 only, 2, 3 only. So answer is 2, 3 only, because it is a non-governmental organization. Okay, membership based. It's a very old body, founded in 1933, and it is based in Switzerland. And it has over 800 organizations across 155 countries. Okay, this is a mission statement. Obviously, cancer, global things and all. So it's understandable. But other things are correct. Okay, it partners with international bodies like WHO and WF, and it has a huge membership of nations and organizations, including India. Okay. Intergovernmental Oceanographic Commission (IOC) was established under World Meteorological Organization, UNESCO, International Maritime Organization, UN clause. Okay, UNCLOS. So all these bodies, again, as I told, whatever may be the answer, you have to research about the other 3 bodies also. My students can simply do the test completely, because about every body, one MCQ is at least there. Okay. If it's not there in your international body test, it will be there in your current affairs, or it will be there in the full test which I give you. But everything will be definitely covered. So here, answer is UNESCO. Okay, it was established in 1960 as a body with functional autonomy within the UNESCO, and is the only competent organization for the marine science within the UN system. And here again, more details are there. IOC is recognized through the UNCLOS, and these things. Then there is International Seabed Authority. These are bodies which are related to the ocean, and questions have come. In 2020, there was a news also. Odisha has achieved another milestone in disaster management. Some place there have been recognized by UNESCO IOC as tsunami ready communities. Okay, so this tsunami, cyclone, these things will never end. Okay, it's not like a topic which you can skip at any cost. You have to study. Even though UPSC is not asking tsunami and cyclone theory part, you have to study that because it's given in your NCERT geography textbooks. Okay. Which of the following is true about Balkan countries? So what is Balkan? What is Baltic? What is it different? Is it the same? These are very like confusing things, but you have to study. It is a very diverse ethno-linguistic region. they experience cool weather throughout the year with no distinction between summers and winters. Two only, one only, both one and two, neither one or two. So whenever two statements are there, you have to know both the statements. Elimination and these things won't work. So you have to know it. This is MCQ number 4 in the test number 2 of international bodies. So here the first statement is true. It is indeed a very diverse ethno-linguistic region. They experience cool weather throughout the year. That is wrong. They have summers, distinct summer and winter season is there. Okay. The geographic term used for 10 sovereign states. Okay, in the map you should go and see Albania, Bosnia, Herzegovina, Bulgaria, Croatia, Kosovo, Macedonia, Montenegro, Romania, Serbia, Slovenia. Okay, sometimes Moldova is also mentioned as the 11th Balkan nations. Okay, in some books and all you will find that also. So it takes the name from the Balkan Mountains, and it is a unique territory inhabited by the South Slavs, and it is very diverse. This thing. Okay. It has numerous endemic species. So very minimal details. At least the geographical map. Okay, that is what will be important for you. I forgot to attach the image here, but in our test PDF there is a detailed map of our Balkan and Baltic countries. Which are the following are true about Global Wildlife Program? Okay, it is a IUCN-led global partnership that promotes wildlife conservation and sustainable development. It is funded by the Global Environment Facility (GEF). India has hosted this event in the past. So 1 only, 1 2 only, 2 3 only, 1 2 3. So again, this Global Environment Facility is something which UPSC have asked questions I think 2 times. So you have to know at least about that, like what all it funds, and obviously you will get that statement whether it's true or not. So answer is 2 3 only. It is not an IUCN-led program. It is a World Bank-led global partnership that promotes wildlife conservation and sustainable development since 2015. It is funded by GEF and overseen by a steering committee. In 2017, India has hosted this program jointly with the World Bank and UNDP. Then prior to that, 4 similar programs have been convened at Switzerland, then here Hanoi, Vietnam, Kenya, Gabon. Okay. Then, yeah, some African countries are given, and additional representatives who all came in the meeting when it happens. Implementing agencies challenging the funds to government. 15-year National Wildlife Action Plan. Okay, because if you see, it's 2017 to 31. So it's very important. Okay, because it's an ongoing thing, and so till 2031 they can anytime ask questions about this kind of plans. Okay. Global Education Monitoring Report is released by UNDP, UNESCO, Lancet, Oxfam. About Oxfam also question has come, about UNESCO question has come, UNDP question has come. So you should know these bodies as well. So it's a UNESCO report. UNESCO, like it's a Education Scientific Cultural Organization, ESCO. So it was initially called Education for All Global Monitoring Report, which was developed by an independent team and then published by UNESCO from 2002 to 2015. It was then replaced by Global Education Monitoring Report, whose principal role is to monitor progress towards the education targets in 2030 Sustainable Development Goal. Okay, so a news was there, like it was released in 2020 during the height of school closures. Almost 91% students across the world were out of school. Okay, then again, some statistics are there that usually UPSC don't focus too much, but in your mains you can quote these things. If something you have to write, like how did the corona or lockdown affect the education system, you can quote these kind of global reports. Okay, so Global Education Monitoring Report is by UNESCO. So those are the questions today. Hope you have seen this video which was posted. More videos are coming, but please see to it that you subscribe and support us, because we are trying to keep the free content alive. And in this lockdown time, online education is the very most important thing for anyone who is trying to learn. Okay, so if you don't support quality content, then you will have to again study from all the other unwanted things which are roaming around the internet. Okay, because internet you can use it 2 ways, either to distract you or to make you a better person. So you choose which one you want. So please subscribe and support both our channels, Vysh IAS and Vysh Courses. We are trying every day to put 2 to 3 videos. So please support us so that we can increase the frequency of videos also. So thank you and have a nice day.